Open source is eating the world. Today we are announcing an important collaboration between two open source projects, Cal.com and BTCPay Server. Cal.com is open source scheduling platform that is revolutionizing how we book meetings, events, and appointments. BTCPay Server is a self-hosted open source Bitcoin payment processor which allows you to receive Bitcoin payments directly to your own wallet without the intermediary or any fees. Our collaboration means that now BTCPay Server app is live in the Cal.com App Store. It means that Cal.com users can get paid quickly in Bitcoin for their bookings and the funds would go straight to their wallets. No more relying on third-party payment processor. Whether you're a freelancer, consultant, or a business owner, this partnership makes accepting Bitcoin as easy as scheduling your next call. So let's see how this integration works. We at BTCPay Server have made extensive documentation on how to set this all up, and if in any case the video that you're watching is a little bit different to what you're seeing, we always recommend that you go to our website and check our documentation because it's easier to keep documentation up to date than videos. With that said, let's give it a try and start connecting BTCPay Server and Cal.com. Before we begin, there are several prerequisites. You will need Cal.com account, of course, BTCPay Server self-hosted or run by third-party host. You will need to create BTCPay Server store and set up your wallet. If any of these are not clear, again, come to our documentation. We have links that will lead you to all of these. We will not be covering them in this video. So with that said, let's go and set up our BTCPay Server and Cal.com. Head over to your Cal.com and in the side panel, toggle apps, click App Store, and search for the BTCPay Server. It may also be visible here. As you can see, it's visible here, but just in case, you can type in BTCPay Server. You can click on Details to preview and click Install App. You will need to select the account where you're installing this from. It can be either organization or user account. In my case, I just have one account, so I'll just connect it to my own. And now we'll have to pre-fill our BTCPay Server URL, store ID, and API key. I'm self-hosting my own BTCPay Server, so I'll just copy the link of my server, head back to cal.com, and the URL is literally your URL of your BTCPay. In case you don't have a URL and you want to give this integration a try, you can use our mainnet demo server, and the link would be this one. However, I want to connect it to my own server. So you enter the URL. Now we need our store ID. I've created a dedicated cal.com store. You can tie it to any store you want on your BTCPay server. Go to your store settings. And here you have store ID. Copy this, go back to cal.com and paste the store ID. Next, we need to create API key. So API key is tied to your user account, so you have to go to the account here at the bottom, click Manage Account, and then you will see here API keys. So let's now create a dedicated cal.com API key. Click Generate Key. You can label it cal.com, and we need to give it adequate permissions. And we need 3 permissions: view invoices, create an invoice, and modify store's webhook. Once you select all of these 3, you can generate an API key. And as you see now, I can reveal the API key, copy it over from here. Anyway, I copied it and I'm going to paste it into my cal.com. Once you have all of these 3 pieces of information, click Connect. And if everything is good, you will successfully be redirected to another page. Now our BTCPay Server and cal.com are tied together. So how do we create now an event? Let's create a paid event. I'm going to create a new event for my account. I'm going to call it Paid Consultation. 60 minutes paid consultation. You can add any, of course, description as you want. I'm going to add duration of 60 minutes and I'm going to click Continue. Now that we did this, let's head over to Apps under Event and let's enable BTCPay Server for this specific event. You'll be able to select currency. I'm going to pick USD and I'm going to put Well, since this is just for testing, I'm going to put $5. Once you selected the price and the currency, click Save. And make sure, again, that everything here is enabled. Click Save. And that's it. Now our consultation for paid events is available. And let's see how it works. Let's view our public page. And now on our paid consultation, you will be able to select available time slot. And once we do that, you can click Pay to Book. And now BTCPay Server will generate an invoice, which whoever is booking the call needs to pay. As you can see, payment is being loaded. And here it is. We only need to scan this QR now. I'm going to do that. And once the payment is made, you will see here that the meeting is successfully scheduled. What is very important here is that Bitcoin sent from your customer go directly into your own wallet without any fees or intermediary. So you keep all the Bitcoin and it goes directly to your own wallet. Great and powerful collaboration of open source software. I hope this tutorial was helpful and it helped you understand how this new BTCPay Server app works in Cal.com. If you have any questions, feel free to come to our community chat. We are more than happy to help you and get you onboarded. We hope that you found this video helpful. And yeah, once again, feel free to refer to documentation in case you have any questions or anything is unclear. And in case you have any problems, feel free to come to our community chat. Thanks for the Cal.com team for helping us make this integration happen and supporting us during the efforts. They are amazing, and we are really excited that both BTCPay Server users can now use Cal.com as their scheduling platform, and that Cal.com users now get exposed to Bitcoin and can accept payments worldwide without any intermediaries and directly to their own wallets. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.